I watched my family go through it this week. To see them hurting only made me feel weak. See, I was searching for the right words to speak, but in the midst, man, I was facing my own doubts and defeat. That's when the Lord told me to jump to my feet, cause I had blessings that were right in my reach. I had to usher in His presence of peace. Almost forgot about the promises He promised He'd keep. He's a rewarder, so continue to seek a God of order, a supporter to the one that is meek. I cried an ocean with every tear that fell off of my cheek. His arms are open to the broken, it's in love and He grieves. I know the wicked try to scatter the sheep, but God's forgiveness is the realest thing you ever go meet. Look, even amongst the vultures and the leeches who leech, it's an honor to give my life though for the gospel I preach.
Singing hallelujah in the middle of my storm.
In the middle of the storm, I sing. Look.
They say, where does He get His strength from? How can He be so strong?
You make me strong, my Lord.
Point up to my King.
Hey, don't you see the pain is killing us? And can't you see the boat is filling up? I know that some might look ridiculous, cause I refuse to give up and swallow the seed of bitterness. How could you close your eyes and sleep through this? How could you lift your hands and sing to this? See, with everything I believe in this, and I know God won't leave me where the evil and deceitful is. They say, where does He get His strength from? And how could He be so strong now? Like, where did He get His faith from? How could He still have hope after everything going on now? Any other man would have been gave up. He would have perished, would have died with all his hope ate up. Without my Jesus, man, I can't wake up straight up. I know you wonder why I stay prayed up. Hey, I trust when He tells me yes. I trust when He tells me no. I trust when He tells me stay. I trust when He tells me go. I lean not on my own understanding, yes, I obey. If you learn to submit, then the path you walk will be straight. You were created on purpose and for a purpose. This is where you must let your prayers turn into worship. You were created on purpose and for a purpose. Hey, this is where you must let your prayers turn into worship.
Singing hallelujah in the middle of my storm. In the middle
of the storm, I sing. Look.
You see, where does He get His strength from? How can He be so strong?
You make me strong, my Lord.
Point up to my King. I point up to my King. I point up to my King. Cause you're the one who strengthens, the one who strengthens, the one who strengthens me. Another worship song I sing, another offering I bring. Cause you're the one who strengthens, the one who strengthens, the one who strengthens me. Singing hallelujah in the middle of my storm. In the middle
of the storm, I sing. Look.
See, where does He get His strength from? How can He be so strong?
You make me strong, my Lord.
Point up to my King.